Hello everyone, Monisha here. In this episode, we will be learning about question 6 to question 10 of continuation of exercise 5.3. Let us start the session. Let us move on to the sixth question of exercise 5.3. In a circular table cover of radius 32 cm, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle. It is equilateral triangle, so the angle will be 60 degree in the middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design. We have to find the area of the design. Since they have already given the radius of the circle is 32 cm, first we have to find out the area of the circle. Area of a circle, we know the formula, that is pi r square. Already radius is given, which is 32. So 22 by 7 into 32 into 32, which is equal to 22,528 divided by 7. So the division of this will be 3218.28 centimeter square. So this is the area of the circle. Next, in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, either we have to write AD as a line which is perpendicular to BC. Okay, so we have to take AD perpendicular to BC is drawn passing through O. Passing through O. So if this point is considered as O, we have to write a perpendicular line, so which is AD, and this is perpendicular to BC. Therefore here AO is there, so this AO will be 2 by 3rd part of AD. So this AO will be 2 by 3rd part of AD. So here AO, the value of AO is 32 is equal to 2 by 3 into AD, because AO is the radius is equal to 32. So by cross multiplication we will get 32 into 3 divided by 2 AD. So AD will be 48 centimeter. Next we need to find out in triangle ABD. So in triangle A, B and D, here D is 90 degrees, so we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So that is hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse is AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. I will continue it here. So here AB square is equal to AD. AD we have already found out, that is 48 square, plus this BD is half of BC. So we can write BD as BC by 2 because it is half of BC. So 48 square is 2304 plus BC square. So this BC also we can change. So because BC is also equal to AB is also equal to AC, because it is an equilateral triangle. So here instead of BC I will write it as AB. AB square by 4. So next I will be shifting this AB square this side. So it will become AB square minus AB square by 4 is equal to 2304. By cross multiplication we will get 4AB square minus AB square whole divided by 4 is equal to 2304. So which is 3AB square by 4 is equal to 2304. So 3AB square is equal to 2304 into 4. So 3AB square, so which can be taken as the square root, which I will be taking this side. 3AB square, we can take square on both sides. We can also take square root on both sides. So I will write here square root on both sides. square root on both sides. So whole and 2304 and root 4. So here root 3 will remain as it is. AB square and root get cancelled. So AB as it is. And 2304, which can be taken as 48 square, because we know that 48 square is equal to 2304 and root of 4 is 2. So AB is equal to 48 into 2 divided by root 3. So next the sum continues. Sixth question continue, that is AB is equal to 48 into 2 divided by root 3. So this will be 48 into 2, 96 divided by root 3. From here we can take rationalization, that is denominator. The denominator we have to take multiplication and division, that is rationalization. So it will become 96 root 3 divided by root 3 whole square. So square and root get cancels. Remaining is 96 root 3 divided by 3. So 3 3s are 3 2s are, that is 32 root 3. This is a value for AB. AB is equal to 32 root 3 centimeter. So next we have to find out area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Since all sides are equal, AB is also equal to BC, which is also equal to AC. So area of equilateral triangle ABC is given by root 3 by 4 A square. So root 3 by 4 A square is nothing but the side square, root 32 root 3 into 32 root 3. So 4 8s are. So next we will get root 3 into 8 root 3 into 32 root 3. So here root 3 whole square into 8 into 32 root 3. So it will become 3 into 8 into 32 root 3. So 24 into 32 into 1.73, which altogether it will be 1328.64 centimeter square. So this is the value for area of equilateral triangle ABC. So last we have to find out the area of design. Area of design is equal to area of circle subtracted to area of triangle ABC. That is, area of circle is 3218.28 minus area of triangle is 1328.64. So area of design will be 1889.64 centimeter square. So this is the area of design. Moving on to the seventh question of this session. Here in figure ABCD is a square which the side of a square is 14 centimeter. So the radius of one circle will be 7 and this will be 7. So each and every circle have a radius of 7 centimeter. So given the side of a square is 14 centimeter. So if a side of a square is 14 centimeter, then the area of square is equal to side square. The side is 14 square, which is equal to 196 centimeter square. So since it is square, the each angle will be equal to 90 degree. So the angle will be 90 degree. Next, there are 4 sectors. We can see here, this is a sector, this is a sector, and this one. So there are 4 sectors. So we have to find out area of 4 sectors. 4 sectors with center A, B, C and D. So this is the area of 4 sectors, that is 4 into sector formula theta by 360 into pi r square. So 4 into, we know that it is a square which has an angle 90 degree, divided by 360 into 22 by 7 and radius is 7. So 7 cancel, 9 4s are and 4 gets cancelled. The remaining will be 22 into 7, which is equal to 154 centimeter square. So finally we have to find out the area of shaded region. We can see the area of a shaded region. So from this, if we are to find out the area of this shaded region, from area of square we have to subtract the 4 quadrants. So area of shaded region, so area of shaded region is equal to area of a square minus area of 4 sectors. So area of square is 196 minus area of 4 sectors is 154. So area of a shaded region is equal to 42 centimeter square. I hope you understood this. Let us move on to the 8th sum of this session. Figure depicts the racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. The distance between the two inner parallel line segments is 60 meter and they are each 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, find the distance around the track along its inner edge, the area of the track. So here, first we need to find out the distance around the track along its inner edge. That is, the distance around the track along its inner edge. So that is equal to, you can see here, EF, GH, next is a perimeter of EMG and perimeter of FNH. So this is the distance around the track along the inner edge. This is the inner edge. So this much we have to find out first. So first is EF plus GH plus perimeter of EMG, perimeter of EMG plus perimeter of FNH, perimeter of FNH. So here EF, the distance of EF and GH is same 106. 106 plus 106. So perimeter of an entire circle will be 2 pi r, but it is semicircle. So it will be half of 2 pi r. 2 pi r plus again half of 2 pi r. So 106 is 212. Here 2 get cancels and here also 2 get cancels. So here pi r plus pi r both is equal to 2 pi r. So 212 plus 2 into 22 by 7. Here radius is 30 because here they have given the whole line. So up to here it is 60. So here to here it is 60. So half will be 30. So radius is 30. So this we will get 212 plus, so the multiplication of it will be 1320 divided by 7. So if I take LCM as 7, then by cross multiplication we will get 1484 plus, since the LCM is same, we have to write it as it is, 1320. So this is 2804 by 7, which is equal to 400.57 meter. So moving on to the second one. Now we have to find out the area of ABFE. The area of ABFE, this track. So this track we have to find out, this ABFE and also GHDC. Okay. Area of ABFE plus area of GHDC. So we know that this entire line, which is equal to 106 into this. So this is the length and the breadth. So the breadth is 10. So 106 into 10 plus again 106 into 10. So this 106 into 10 and 106 into 10. So which is equal to 1060 plus 1060, which is equal to 2120 centimeter square. So next what we have to do, 2 into, so this is also over. Next we have to find out the outer semicircle of this. So the inner edge is finished, the outer edge, this one is, this area has been finished. Now we have to find out the outer semicircle. So 2 into area of semicircle APC minus area of semicircle EMG. So we have to just subtract it. So if we subtract it, we will get the entire track. 2 into pi r2 square by 2 minus pi r1 square by 2. So I will take this 2 outside. So 2 by 2 pi r2 square minus pi r1. So pi r2 square, sorry, so pi r2 square and pi r1 square. Okay. So here pi I will be taking common. So radius r2 and r1. So the inner radius is 30. So from here to here the radius is 30 plus 10 is there. So the outer radius will be 40. So outer radius is r2 and inner radius is 30. So we will get pi into 1600 minus 900. So pi is 22 by 7 into 1600 minus 900 is 700. So which is equal to 2200 centimeter square. Therefore, area of track, this is the final solution of it. Area of track is equal to area of two rectangles, area of two rectangles plus area of two arc shaped track. So which is equal to 2120 plus 2200, which is equal to 4320 meter square. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the ninth question of this session. In figure, AB and CD are two diameters. You can see that clearly. AB and CD are the two diameters, whereas the diameter is the center line, which is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, the radius is 7 centimeter each. So the radius of bigger circle, the radius of bigger circle is equal to 7 centimeter. So first we have to find out area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC, that is half into, so base will be AB and height will be OC. Half into base into height. So half into AB. AB is 14. So 2 sevens are, so 7 sevens are 49 centimeter square is the area of triangle ABC. Next we have to find out area of semicircle. So area of semicircle. From semicircle, if you subtract the triangle, then we will get this shaded region. So next we have to find out the area of semicircle. So area of semicircle is given by pi r square divided by 2. So pi is 22 by 7 into r. Radius is 7 into 7, where this 2 is there, that we can take it as 1 by 2. So 2 ones are, 2 11s are, and 7 7 cancel. Therefore we will get 77 centimeter square. Next we need to find out area of this shaded region. Area of the shaded region. So area of shaded segment is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle ABC. area of triangle ABC. So area of semicircle is 77 minus 49, which is equal to 28 centimeter square. So here this is the radius. So we can see here the radius of the bigger circle is 7 centimeter, but the diameter of the smaller circle, which is also equal to 7. Okay, therefore the diameter of a smaller circle, is equal to 7 centimeter. Therefore the radius will be, the radius of this same circle is equal to 7 by 2. So we have to find out the area of this smaller circle. Area of smaller circle, which is equal to pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into the radius of the smaller circle is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, 7 cancel and 2 11s are, we will get 77 by 2, which is equal to 38.5 centimeter square. So we have to find out the area of shaded region entirely. So area of shaded region. So here this shaded region and this shaded region which we have obtained, we have to add it. So area of shaded segment. So which is this? This is area of shaded segment. Area of shaded segment plus area of smaller circle. Area of smaller circle. So which is equal to 28, area of shaded segment is 28 centimeter square plus area of smaller circle is 38.5. So altogether the area of shaded region is 66.5 centimeter square. I hope you understood this. Let us move on to the last question of this session. The area of equilateral triangle ABC is given. Already the area is given. Area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle ABC, which is 17320.5 centimeter square, with each vertex of a triangle as a center. You can see the vertex of each triangle. So the vertex of a triangle is the center of each circle, and the radius is equal to half the length of the side. If we consider this as the length, the radius is half the length of the side. If this is A, then A by 2 is the radius of the circle. We have to find the area of the shaded region. So this area which we can see, this is a shaded region, we have to find it out. So area of equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4 A square is equal to 17320.5. A square is equal to, we have to cross multiply 17320.5 into 4 whole divided by root 3. We know that 17320.5 into 4 divided by root 3. We know that the value of root 3, the entire value of root 3 is 1.73205 is the value of root 3. Okay. So A square is equal to 17. I am just removing the point. So 173205000 divided by 1732005, here 4. How I will tell you, here after point 1 digit is there, right? So if we want to remove the point, we have to insert 110 here, that is divide by 10. After point 1 digit is there, so we have to insert 10 here. So 10 has 1 0. In the same way here, after point 5 digits are there. So in order to remove the point, we have to insert 5 zeros, okay, into 1732005 into 4. So here 1732005 will get cancels. So remaining 0 0. In this way also we can take it out. So 4 zeros will be remaining, because after 1 2 3 4 5 zeros will be remaining. Okay, so 1 zeros will get cancelled. In the same way, so we have to add one more 0 here. If we multiply it, we have to add one more 0. So here we will obtain this 10,000. The same thing I am writing here. The 10,000 will be remaining into 4 is remaining. Here it is a square. So a is equal to square root of 10,004. So 10,000 square is 100 into the square root of 4 is 2. So the value of a is 200. So this is the value of a. So next it is a radius of, we know that radius of circle is half of the side. So radius of circle is equal to a by 2. So 200 divided by 2, which is equal to 100 centimeter. Now in triangle ABC, A angle B angle C is equal to 60 degree. So we have to find the area of three sectors. We can see here, this is one sector, this is second sector, and this is third sector. So if we subtract from area of triangle, if we subtract these three sectors, then we will get the area of the shaded region. Area of three sectors is equal to 3 into theta by 360 into pi r square. So 3 into angle is 60, angle is 60 degree because it is an equilateral triangle. 60 by 360 into, so radius is a by 2 and pi I will take 3.14 and this radius is 100. So 100 into 100. So here 6 ones are 6 6 are 36, 3 ones are 3 2s are, so 250. So we will get 15700 centimeter square. So this is the area of the three sector. Next we have to find out the area of shaded region. So in order to get area of shaded region, we have to subtract from area of triangle, we have to subtract the three sectors. Area of shaded region is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of three sectors. So area of triangle ABC is given by 17320.5 minus, which is already given, the area of equilateral triangle is already given. So 17305 minus 15700. So the area of shaded region is 1620.5 centimeter square. I hope you understood this. This was the last question of this session. If you have any doubts, queries, please comment me on the comment section. Thank you for your patience.